It's nearly the end of the year and we are gearing up for 2023. Christmas is around the corner, so we made a Christmas tree. Those are not real gears. If you want to see real gear cutting in action, come through to our workshop. Let's add in some ornaments. Here we've got a collet. I'm just going to reorient it a bit to get it in the right orientation. Remember, put the mouse cursor on the scale to get clickable increments. Quick point to point to let it dangle from the tree. It's not Christmas without a gift. All I want for Christmas is my Pocket NC. To the power of video editing and concentric transition, this is how we did it. Just drag and drop a step file from the cloud storage directly into the work area there, and the system creates the full assembly with all its components for me. Let's add some gift wrapping. So I've got a bow. I'm just going to put that on, reorient it a bit, and now that's looking pretty festive. Christmas lights are duckies. Let's make a quick change. The bulb is part of the solid body and I want to make it a separate component so that I can change the material independent of the rest of the ducky. It's a quick make a component operation. You select the geometry you want, turn it into a component, give it a name obviously, then I can activate it and replace or change the material. Let's choose the red neon that you can see, and application is very simple. Obligatory model spinning. Right, let's have a look at what we've got. Look at all those ornaments. We've got collets, we've got chuck keys, and we've got dial gauges, because for some people a dial gauge is just an ornament. It's Ducky lighting up your life because Eskom won't.